SUVs are notorious for being tough and long-lasting. They're often driven in tougher conditions than sedans and smaller vehicles, and they have to be able to handle more wear and tear. As a result, many SUVs on the market today are built to last. In this video, we'll explore 5 SUVs that could last up to 500,000 miles. We'll talk about their build, what features make them durable, and how likely they are to last for such a long time. Number 1. Honda CR-V. The CR-V sports a base price of $25,750. That's a typical starting price for a compact SUV. The range-topping CR-V Touring retails for $33,550. That's a below-average price tag for a top trim in this 7 class. A 1.5L turbo engine, the 2022 Honda CR-V offers 190 horsepower and a torque of 179 pounds in a CR-V, and pairing it with one of the best continuously variable automatic transmissions, CVT, available. The CR-V's fuel economy ratings: it gets 28 mpg in the city and 34 mpg on the highway in front-wheel drive models, and 27/32 mpg city, highway in all-wheel drive models. The Honda CR-V reliable? The 2022 Honda CR-V has a predicted reliability score of 84 out of 100. Honda CR-Vs are reliable and usually last for a while, typically about 250,000 to 300,000 miles. Let's learn more about that. CR-Vs can last for over 200,000 miles. They may last closer to 300,000 miles with routine maintenance and repairs. Number 2. Acura RDX. The entry-level RDX has a starting MSRP of $39,300, which is below average for the class. The range-topping RDX with the Advance package costs $49,300. Powering this Acura is a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with 272 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, which makes smooth, prompt shifts. With front-wheel drive, the RDX earns an EPA estimated 22 mpg in the city and 28 mpg on the highway. All-wheel drive models return 21 mpg in the city and 27 mpg on the highway. The Acura RDX reliable. The 2022 Acura RDX has a predicted reliability score of 74 out of 100. The Acura RDX is a reliable, durable SUV that can last between 250,000 to 300,000 miles with regular maintenance and conservative driving. Number 3. Lexus GX 470. 2 higher trims, the GX Premium and GX Luxury, start at $56,760 and $64,935, respectively. Check out our U.S. News Best Price program for great savings at your local Lexus dealer. The GX 470's 4.7-liter V8 engine makes 263 horsepower and is mated to a 5-speed automatic transmission. It offers plenty of power, but that takes a toll on fuel economy. According to the EPA, the GX 470 should achieve 14/18 mpg city, highway, which is not too impressive compared with others in the GX's class. Are Lexus GX 470s reliable SUVs? According to RepairPal.com, the average consumer rating for the GX 470 is 3.9 out of 5. As a brand, Lexus enjoys a rating of 4.0 out of 5.0, which puts it in 7th place out of 32 car brands. The GX 470 also has average annual ownership costs at less than $600 a year. Lexus GX 470 lasts for 500,000 miles. However, this depends on the owner and how he takes care of his car. In normal maintenance, a Lexus GX 470 can last for 500,000 miles without any issues. The way you drive and maintain your car is the leading factor in how long it would last. If you are a careful driver and take care of your car, it will definitely last for more than 500,000 miles. But if you're the type that likes to speed and race around, your car will only last for about 300,000 miles. If you're enjoying this video, subscribe for great content and more SUV-related videos. So let's back into the video. Number 4. Buick Encore. The 2022 Buick Encore has a starting price of $24,600, which is well above the class average. Adding all-wheel drive costs an extra $620. The 2022 Encore comes with a turbocharged 1.4-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 155 horsepower, which is 17 horses more than in previous models. Even so, this Buick is still lacking in the power department, resulting in slow acceleration. A 6-speed automatic transmission is included. The 2022 Encore gets an EPA estimated 24 mpg in the city and 32 mpg on the highway with front-wheel drive. That's average for a subcompact SUV. The all-wheel drive Encore delivers 23 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway. The Buick Encore Reliable. The 2022 Buick Encore has a predicted reliability score of 84 out of 100. The Buick Encore could last for 200,000 miles or more if it's well taken care of. This SUV has received an award for its dependability, so you can rely on it to serve you well for years to come. Number 5. 2022 Infiniti QX80. The 2022 Infiniti QX80 has a starting MSRP of $70,600. The top Sensory 4WD trim starts at $84,850. If you get sticker shock shopping for a new full-size luxury SUV, the Infiniti QX80 is a good value in this class. The QX80 with a 5.6-liter V8 engine that produces 400 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. A 7-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive are standard, and 4-wheel drive is available. This V8 is a powerhouse and easily hustles the QX80 off the line and up to speed. The 2022 Infiniti QX80 MPG ratings top out at 14 mpg city and 20 mpg highway, and they dip slightly lower if you upgrade with 4-wheel drive. The Infiniti QX80 reliability rating is 3.5 out of 5.0, which ranks it first out of 19 for luxury full-size SUVs. The average annual repair cost is $718, which means it has average ownership costs. While repairs are more common, these issues are less likely to be severe than with other cars. The Infiniti QX80 is a durable luxury SUV that can last 250,000 to 300,000 miles when routinely maintained and driven conservatively. If you drive 15,000 miles per year, you can expect the Infiniti QX80 to last 17 to 20 years before requiring uneconomical repairs or breaking down. Number 6. Mercedes GLE. The 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 has a $55,700 starting price, which is slightly higher than average for the class. The mid-range GLE 450 and GLE 53 models are priced at $63,500 and $73,550, respectively, while the Luxe GLE 580 rings in at $80,200. The turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 with 362 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, GLE 450, turbocharged and supercharged 3.0-liter inline-6 with 429 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque, GLE 53, twin turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 with 483 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, GLE 580. The Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 gets an EPA-rated 19 mpg in the city and 27 mpg on the highway, which is about average for a luxury midsize SUV. The GLE 450 returns a loftier 21-26 mpg city, highway, while the GLE 53 and GLE 580 get a mediocre 18-20 seconds mpg and 17-20 seconds mpg, respectively. The 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE has a predicted reliability score of 78 out of 100. The Mercedes-Benz GLE is a very reliable, midsize SUV that can last between 200,000 to 250,000 miles when properly maintained and driven conservatively. If you drive 15,000 miles a year, this equates to 13 to 17 years of service before requiring uneconomical repairs or breaking down. So this is 6 SUVs that could last up to 500,000 miles. Hope you like this video. For more SUV related videos, click any video of them, and subscribe for great content.